They work hand in hand. They lend a hand to our success. These are the hands of those on whom we rely upon to get our work done efficiently and quickly. These are the hands of our workforce. Do we know the kind of challenges these hands encounter on a daily basis? What is our manpower doing to keep their hands healthy and clean? Working in the industry, we often come across occupational safety hazards and diseases. Some of the most common and perhaps least heeded to are the occupational skin diseases. Although most such occupational diseases cannot be treated, they can be prevented. We frequently see workers in factories working with heavy machinery which use various lubricants and chemicals, working on printing machines, at the press with multicolored inks and numerous such scenarios. All such grease, grime, ink and muck sticks to the hands. Being chemical compounds, these can cause dermatitis, eczema or even skin cancer. Such diseases can be prevented by providing them proper hand cleaning solutions, which according to most of us is a bar of soap. This soap largely remains ineffective in providing a complete solution to the problem. The workers thus tend to use hydrocarbons like petrol, diesel, kerosene, thinner, etc., which are easily available on the shop floor. Such unfavorable substances cause depletion of essential oils, skin damage and dead tissues from the layers of the skin, and accelerate contact dermatitis when used regularly. Eating food using the same hands, which now have traces of all such chemicals, lubricants, hydrocarbons, etc., can further complicate problems by upsetting their digestive systems. Big Industrial Organics Private Limited has come up with an effective solution to this problem in the form of Pure Paste. British Indo-German Industrial Organics Private Limited marks the coming together of experts in the field of chemistry and biochemical engineering from United Kingdom, Germany and India. Pure Paste is an industrial hand cleaning paste that gives clean, healthy and smooth hands. It is a result of extensive research and testing in our German laboratories. Its unique formulation uses specially rounded quartz, which are coated with soaps and oils that provide deep cleaning and conditioning, leaving hands soft and supple from the very first use. Pure Paste restores essential oils of the skin and prevents skin diseases, thus making sure productivity does not depreciate over time and is cost-effective. It effectively cleanses all harmful oils, greasing agents, dye impressions and fuel oils. Above all, it has unlimited shelf life and is totally biodegradable. Using Pure Paste is easy. Take some Pure Paste. Massage Pure Paste gently without water. Add 3 to 4 drops of water and continue massaging. Now simply rinse your hands under running water to wash off the paste along with all the dirt and grime. Having soft and clean hands has never been easier. It's pure, it's secure. Extend your hand towards a better workspace for you and your team. Big Pure Paste. चलते रहें हाथ Pure Paste के साथ.